Hello, everybody. You are on Code on Puffic channel. Today we are going to solve other 5 Python exercises for improving your skills in work projects. Thank you for being here. Before we start, please, give a like to this episode so more people can see it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episodes. Let's go. The first task called triangle area. A triangle is a polygon with 3 edges and 3 vertices. It is one of the basic shapes in geometry. A triangle with vertices A, B, and C is denoted triangle ABC. Vertex of a triangle, the point at which 2 sides of a triangle meet. Altitude of a triangle, the perpendicular segment from a vertex of a triangle to the line containing the opposite side. Base of a triangle, the side of a triangle to which an altitude is drawn. Height of a triangle, the length of an altitude. Let's look at solution. Next task is greatest common divisor. In mathematics, the greatest common divisor, GCD, of 2 or more integers, which are not all 0, is the largest positive integer that divides each of the integers. For 2 integers x and y, the greatest common divisor of x and y is denoted. For example, the GCD of 8 and 12 is 4. Let's look at solution. Next task is least common multiple. In arithmetic and number theory, the least common multiple, lowest common multiple, or smallest common multiple of 2 integers a and b, usually denoted LCM characters, is the smallest positive integer that is divisible by both a and b. Let's look at solution. Next task is personal details. Write a Python program that displays your name, age, and address on 3 different lines. There we will practice our skill in working with JSON format. Let's look at solution. And the last task is calculating future value. Write a Python program to compute the future value of a specified principal amount, rate of interest, and number of years. Let's look at solution. Thank you for watching. Please, give a like for support this channel. Write comments, share with friends, and subscribe to see new series. Be safe. Bye.